Going straight to our second spot, Senate President Cheese Escudero says former President Rodrigo Duterte will attend their hearing on October 28. According to Escudero, Duterte confirmed his attendance to Senator Bato de la Rosa. The Senate President assured Duterte that he will be treated with courtesy during the proceedings.
Siyempre, dahil dati siyang Pangulo, inaasahan ko na sa parte ng mga miyembro ng Senado, bibigyan siya ng karampatang paggalang. Hindi lamang bilang tao, hindi lamang bilang Pilipino, pero bilang dating Pangulo ng ating bansa.
Senators Bato de la Rosa and Bongo are also expected to attend the drug war hearing. The two senators will be given the chance to ask questions and answer accusations.
Marahil magandang pagkakataon din yan para mabigyan sila ng pagkakataon. Mabigay yung kanilang panig sa isyong ito. Dahil nga, bugso ng inter-chamber courtesy ay hindi nila kailangan dumalo.
Well, granted
Senate
naman that the former president or any president should be granted courtesy. Pero hindi ba dapat din lahat ng Pilipino na sa hearing or maybe sa Senate, sa Congress also have that courtesy of respect? Dahil you have to remember, ang Pangulo is the highest form of a servant sa bansang ito. He serves the entire Filipino nation because tayo ang nagbabayad sa kanya. So if you can grant the highest servant that courtesy, why can't all the lawmakers give equal respect to every Filipino that attend the hearing? Kaya maliit o malaking tao, dapat galangin nila. At hindi porket hindi nila gusto ang sagot, contempt. Buti nagiging ano na yung word of the day ang contempt. I'll cite yung contempt.
Tapos ang sagot, hindi ko pa alala, Your Honor. Pero hindi, itong pag-attend nga niya former President Rodrigo Duterte na sinasabi, attend siya, it remains to be seen. Ika nga, yan din ang sinabi niya nung sa Congress, ito sasabihin niya sa Senate, and hindi pa natin
He may have confirmed, but the Duterte brand is known to be erratic with regards to confirmations.
Until it's there, then we will believe.
Pero para sa, ang dami nagsasabi na nauumay na sila dahil ang sagad na yung sa Congress We've heard all we wanted to hear already. Lahat ng info nandun. Ano pa ang gagawin ito? And inamin naman ni Senator Bato, ang initial response niya to, an initial reason niya for having this hearing is because gusto niya linawin ang name niya. So, there is no attempt to fact-find. There is no attempt to legislate. The attempt here is to clear the name. Dapat sa Court of Law ka na lang pumunta at wag mo aksayin ng pera ng taong bayan para maglinaw ng pangalan mo. Wag sa Senado.
Exactly. Anong batas ang nila doon, di ba?
Kasi
in aid of legislation.
Anong batas ang hindi pa naisip ng Kongreso na iisipin nyo?
Exactly. So, speaking of